2011 Chevy Equinox. Our check engine light is on. It has been like 181,000 kilometers, and customer is complaining that the oil is burning or is been low. Someone just recently did a oil change, giving a 3-month notice and 189. Let's see what we can find it here. It's been only one code on ECM. Electronic brake control module have a 2 code, and then BCM has 3 codes. Saying that P0300, which is misfiring, lost communication with engine control module. Okay, that's the same. Pass and fail, it's a history code. The BCM has a sunroof, doesn't matter with the oil low and all. Unit software calibration not learned. Alright, so let's have a look here. That does has any read data stream, any kind of misfiring or not. Let's have a look. Right now there is no misfiring, but let's see when we are driving. So I have a cycle of misfiring, has a number, but all other cylinder is not misfiring at all. Now let's have a look. So yes, that's what happened in this kind of car, 2011 to 17, 6-cylinder or 4-cylinder Chevy Equinox. If you guys check, it's a multiple cylinder misfiring, right? So something related with the inside carbon buildups. So I was just checking randomly these things. If you can see a little bit, looks like oil, but it's not that much. It's not sticking. See, my finger is still good. It's not that bad. So what I'm gonna do, I want you to clean the inside carbon buildup. For that, I'm using this foam cleaner intake valves. So for that, you just need to hook this one up, take this one out. To remove this, you see the light here, this guy. So take this one out, like that, and then bring it up a little, like this, turn it around, this guy, I mean anywhere. For example, taking it out this way and then remove it. But now put this one back before you are using that thing. So I'm taking it out, putting it back. Now here we're gonna pull this one a little, like, yeah, but at the same time your RPM has to be around 2000 RPM. Let's have a look. So when you are adding this one, make sure this red one doesn't go inside, right? Now you have to hold it back and do it like this and give a spray like a little like this while the 2000 RPM is on your engine, right? Make sure this one doesn't leak any kind of vacuum, otherwise you're gonna stall your engine. Yeah, that's pretty much good. After finishing this, around half is more than enough, and then go on a good test drive and make sure all the decarbonization, all the stuff gone from the engine, and then hopefully it will not misfire. And then let's see, the customer is gonna come back after that or not, or what kind of result we'll get. I'll keep you updated. Thank you so much.